building back home is not easy. Right now, I am in Zambia, Lusaka, on our project, and today what I want to do is basically go around and talk to a few people about what they've been doing on this project. But stick around if you are interested, and I'll come back after this. Fantastic, and I thought, why not jump onto this idea? Now listen to this, and let's just start building.
You could say that everyone can do it, and not just
about 100 mil. Now, if you look at that, that's more or less like a slab in itself.
I was chilling with the girls who was up for a night out. Yeah. So you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relations.
Right, welcome back. My name is William Phiri, and this is Building Dreams in Africa. As I said, I am in Zambia on our Vorna Valley project. Obviously, I will show a number of things that we have done. I've been here for at least 2 weeks, and I've seen quite a lot of progress. But hey, if you are interested in what we are doing here, stick around, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And also, we've got our book on Amazon, across continents. Hey, support us that way. Right, so let's go, and I will first and foremost look at where we are today. So we are going to start with this gentleman who is on the ladder here before we go anywhere. Right, how are you?
William Phiri, yeah.
William Bwanji.
Bueno boss.
Aha. Ninchito bwanju.
Nchito ya mine nsenza niyo koma yo Carpenter.
Yo Carpenter?
So ndiye nchito yanga ya mine nisebenza.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been doing? Oh, so for how long have you been doing carpentry?
Now I've got
You can speak in Nyanji.
Okay, now 5 years.
5 years?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you find this job here?
Yeah, so my brother is a bricklayer.
He's a bricklayer?
Yes, so ndiye amene amatipasa ntchito za Carpenter.
So how did you start carpentry? Did you go to a college or?
Sinaende ku college, but ninzosebenza na macarpenter.
Na carpenter?
Ndiba ninzosebenza na beve. Paka naine naphunzira na mbosebenza neka manja.
Okay. So what have you done here? What have you been doing? You've been putting the roof?
I'm putting the roof and the building.
And the building?
I'm a bricklayer.
You're a bricklayer?
Yes, yeah.
That is good. That is good. Okay. So you have done the roof on this place?
Yes, I have done, yes.
Okay. So let me tell you something about William Phiri. Not related, we are Phiris. But this gentleman has actually done a fantastic job. He's the one, you went to
Copperbelt, yeah,
Karurush, to buy all the materials. So we had to buy all the timbers in Karurush. Because of the project size, we were able to get huge savings by going to the Copperbelt. He, as a carpenter, had to go there and selected all the timbers, put them on the truck, moved and brought the timbers here. So what we can say today is, where are we with the job? Masiriza?
Yes, tasiriza.
Kumanga yose manyumba.
Tasiriza.
Na malata
tafaka yonse.
Mafaka yonse. So do you think you have done a good job?
Yes, yes.
How do you say have you done a good job in Chinyanji?
Itasenza nchito ya bwino maningi.
Masenza nchito ya bwino.
Itasenza nchito ya bwino maningi.
Okay. Do you want to show us a little bit of what you've done? So what are you doing here? Mr. Bwanja?
Apa tufuna faka fisha board mbali ya.
Okay.
Mbali yeta tafaka huku. So gada house ya.
Okay. But since you are a bricklayer, you can't do the beam fitting.
I can do, yes. Yeah, I can do. So ngatasiliza first ufaka body. Ngafaka beam fitting.
Okay. So you are able to do bricklaying and
roof.
And the roof.
Yes.
So mwasiriza hapa muzaenda kuti.
Tienda kusuvarest kuli project inango.
It's a project.
Na eve faka marufu.
Kufaka marufu. Wow. You are so busy, yeah?
Yes, I'm very, very busy.
So if people want to contact you, do they contact your brother and then he will give you the job?
Yes, you can contact my brother. Yes.
Okay. So let's look at one or two things that you have done here. Where can we see? Can we go? Which one?
Yeah.
So what we are going to do is we're going to show you some of the roofs, and I will put a drone footage as well on the video so that you could see what we have done here. So tutuma semi-detached studio. But it took you madezi yangati kufaka marufu na matimba.
Na matimba. Say 6 days.
6 days.
Yes.
So matimba madezi yanga.
Matimba tufaka 3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
Then kumanga mutenge 3 days.
Kumanga mutenge 3 days. Mashit in 1 day.
Okay. So mashit 1 day. Kumanga matimba.
Kumanga matimba 5 days.
5 days.
Yes.
Ututuma nyumba otu.
Twamene otu.
Twamene otu. Nga aya ma 1 bedroom. They're slightly aya ma 1 bedroom
aya ticha 6 days.
6 days.
Yes. Then mashit 1 day.
Mashit 1 day.
Yes.
So yours mashit ni 1 day.
1 day. Yeah.
Aya jani yakulu yaje.
Yeah.
Madezi yanga.
Yeah, jan 1 day and a half.
1 day and a half.
Yes.
That is good. So you went and Namalata, you were able to calculate how many we needed, matimba.
Yes, I can.
You can?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is really good. So as you can see, we have about 6 buildings here, semi-detached, and we've got about 12 apartments here. In the next one, we have about 5 apartments there. We've got 10 apartments, a total of about 22 apartments. And this gentleman has done a fantastic job. So all we need to do is go around and see if there's a hose. Do you need silicone or what was that?
Yes, silicone.
So we need to get that, eh?
Yes.
And then we just pass through.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that is good. So that's what we're going to do. So if you want to get in touch with me, and I'll give you the details for this gentleman or the builder. He's part of the team and the whole team that is here. Yeah. And they will do a great job for you. So until next time, if you find this video helpful and inspiring, please remember to hit that like button and don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section. That motivates me to share information such as this. Until next time, God bless you.
Thank you.